If you are tired of throwing money out of the window, if you are tired of throwing money to brokers, if you are tired of blowing your account, then this is one video you need to watch till the end. I'll be talking about 7 steps to become a trading sniper. Trading is the most rewarding business in the world, and it is very unfortunate that 99% of traders don't know how to win. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, all we do in this channel is we take live trades, we explain everything about the trade so that you can also learn and apply the same while you are trading. Do well to also check some other videos in this channel where I have traded live. I can assure you that you are going to learn a lot from those trading sections. If this is something that you find interesting, then you should do well to smash the like button so that this video can also be recommended to more people like you, so that they can also learn and apply. And if these are the kind of videos you do like to see in the future, also do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can be a part of this channel. Also turn on that bell icon so that you don't miss out in our future content. So that being said, let us jump down to this video. Like I just said earlier, trading is the most rewarding business in the world, but 99% of traders don't know how to win. And because of this, in this video I'm going to be talking about 7 steps to become a trading sniper. And without wasting further time, let's jump down to the first one. So the first one is developing a setup. Now you have to focus on low risk, high reward. That is what trading is about, and you don't have to worry about your execution. You don't have to worry if you need time to execute or not. You don't need to catch every market movement as well to be a successful trader. One setup is enough to kill in this trading game. The second one is to focus on this your setup. Now you have to execute like a machine each time you find your setup. When you have developed your setup, you are going to see the setup all over the market. It may not be every day, but sometimes you are going to find this setup in the market, and whenever you find the setup, you have to do your best to execute just like the machine will do. You have to forget everything else. Don't take stupid trades just because you don't have opportunities. So you have to forget everything else that is going on in the market. You have to focus only on your setup. You need to trust your setup, trust your plans, and also trust your execution. The third one is control your emotions. So waiting is the hardest. I think I'm having a trading opportunity here. Let's see what happens. Maybe I might take a trade. So you have to control your emotions. Waiting is the hardest trading skill. You need to develop this skill. So guys, I have placed this trade and we will wait for the result while I will continue with our discussions. When the result is out, I'm going to explain why I have placed that trade. So like I was saying, the third one is you have to control your emotions. Now waiting is the hardest trading skill. You need patience to wait for your setup, discipline to execute your setup, and you need confidence to win with your setup. So traders, just like snipers, they have to wait 99% of the time. The sniper might wait for a very long time. Most times they wait 99% of the time. Behave like a sniper, don't behave like a gun, just wasting around shooting everything you see. You have to cultivate the ability to control your emotions so that you can only take trades that will be on target. The fourth one on the list is know your system just like you know your brother. You have to know the details. You have to know what reward ratio is. You have to know what win ratio is. You have to know your strengths. You have to know your weaknesses. You have to know what to expect if something happens or if something doesn't happen in the market. Now, if something happens, what will you do? So you have to have all of this. Like if you have been watching my videos, you will see that I always use the word if. The reason is this: the if word is a probability word. You know, it means that if something happens, this is what will happen. If this doesn't happen, this is what will happen. Nobody can predict trading 100%. Nobody can do that. We can only work with the evidences that we see on the chart. So when we use the word if, we are trying to say that we are not predicting the market 100%, but we leave everything for the market to do what it wants to do. But if certain conditions are met, this is what we are going to do. But if certain conditions are not met, this is what is going to happen. So you have to develop this probability mindset. You have to know that trading is a game of probability, and you have to have that word if. So the fifth one is you have to aim for 1%. Now, if other people are practicing 1 hour, you have to start practicing 2 hours per day. If an average trader is reviewing that trade once a week, you have to start reviewing your trades every day. Now, if an average trader never shapes their mind, they never do anything about their mindset, you need to start meditating every single day. Now, to be the 1%, you have to do what the 99% are not doing. The sixth one on the list is stop listening to other people. More than 95% of traders lose in 5 years period. Now, if you want to win, you can't focus on other people's opinion, trading or trade views. You have to focus only on your system. It is the greatest weapon that you have. Now, the seventh one on the list, which is the last, is become a trading sniper. Snipers do not shoot everything they see. They only focus on their target, and it can take a whole lot of time, but the waiting will worth it in the end. So you have to focus on one setup. You have to try to control your emotions. You have to always have a plan, and you should always shape your weapon. Maintain your setup. Always try to find ways to improve upon your setup. So I hope this is helpful. Now the trade is over, and I will do the explanation for this trade. So this is a very strong uptrend situation, as you can see, and by price action, when the market runs, it needs to retrace at least for some time. And you can see that this has been a pattern that the market has created in the lower scale. You can see that this is a low, this is a high, higher low, and stuff like that. And you can see that by price structure, if this pattern is broken, then the market will try to create something different, which will be a little downtrend towards this area of the market. So I have this all outlined out because I was only waiting for that breakout to come. So in the course of this discussion, I had that breakout and I took the trade, and we have won this trade. Though this is quite against this trend. This is an uptrend, but the trade we just took was a sell trade, which is a little bit against this trend, but it was just more of a common sense trade because of the breakout that I had. Now the market is going to run, and it's going to rest at least somewhere around this trend line. So this is why I have placed this trade, and I hope you've learned something from this trade session, and I hope you have also learned something from this whole video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop your comment down below. I will be very happy to respond to all of your questions. If you found any value in this video, do well to hit that like button so that this video can also be recommended to more people like you. Also, do well to subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time, and turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So on this note, I'm going to end this video section, and I'll see you again soon. But then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.